Today I'm doing my first wig review. I'm gonna unbox and try on this Amber John Renau, a long wavy blonde synthetic wig sent by LA Wig Company. My affiliate link is below if you wanna buy one. If you're new to the channel, I do a ton of DIY haircuts and colors. They're fun, they're inspiring, and 2 weeks ago, I crossed off a huge thing from my bucket list, which was to shave my own head. Now I'm really excited to start playing around with different hair colors and wigs and hats and all of those fun, crazy hair accessories. I had the hardest time picking out which wig to review because they have so many great ones. They have short and long, with bangs, without bangs, synthetic, human hair. Oh, every style has like at least 10 different colors to choose from. So I had a really hard time, but I decided on the Amber because I liked that it was long and wavy, and I thought it'd be cute by itself or under a hat or under a headband or whatever. So I'm really excited to try it on. This is a synthetic wig, so I'm really curious to see if it looks real or fake and how it feels, if it's hot or itchy. So let's go ahead and try it on. Hair care and styling guide. Boom! Comes with a little hairnet. Here is the cap. I'm just getting into wigs. I've never worn a wig before, so I'm just starting to learn about them, and there's a lot of different types, not just synthetic versus human hair, but how they're put together. This one is a lace front monofilament wig cap. From what I can understand, that just is talking about how it's all like hooked together. And I believe the lace front is to give it a more natural hairline, perhaps? Flip it inside out. Oh, guys. Oh. This is gorgeous. Ooh, I love the like kind of like darker roots. And look at those curls. Ah, that's so pretty. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, let's just put this on. I have a feeling the first reveal is gonna be hilarious. It's gonna be like halfway down my nose or something. This did not come with a wig cap, but I think I'm supposed to wear one, and maybe it'll help keep it cleaner. If you have decent amounts of hair, you definitely need the wig cap. If you're shaved or bald, I'm not sure. Helps protect your skin and your hair, maybe? 100% mode acrylic, made in Indonesia. There's 2 Velcro straps on the side, so I'm guessing that you can adjust it. I'm gonna have to adjust this in the mirror. I can't see. Okay, guys. So what do we think? Do I look real? Fake? It just feels like so much hair. So much hair. I've never had like this much hair in my life. I've had it this long, but it was straight and boring. So there is a close-up of the part. Oh my gosh, how fun is this? I'll do a spin around. You can see the back. Okay, we're gonna do a flip to see if it stays on my head. Flippies. It stays on my head. First wig reactions. This is so fun. It's gorgeous. I love this color. How is that for a hair transformation? From G.I. Jane to Malibu Barbie. There are a couple really big benefits of getting a synthetic wig. One is that it's much cheaper than the real human hair wigs. For a real human hair, thousands of dollars. But also low maintenance. This is the style it will always be. These long waves, those waves are not coming out. The same with the color. This color will never fade. It will always be this. You cannot color it. So this is what you're always gonna get. And if you're feeling like different styles, like I wanna have like different hair for every day of the week, right? So you gotta get different wigs for that. What do we think? I'm in love. I shaved my head, and that was my choice. And I like my shaved head, but do I want to have a shaved head every day, all day long? No. So I am so excited to be trying out these wigs and trying different hairstyles with them. It's super fun. And also I hope that maybe I can help other people out there who want wigs for fun or want wigs because maybe you have alopecia, maybe you have lost your hair due to chemo treatments. People have different reasons for wanting or needing a wig. So if you want or need a wig, go for it. If you want to be bald, rock it. If you want to wear a scarf, go for it. Anyway, I hope you found this wig review helpful or fun. Definitely give LA Wig Company a looky-loo. They've got every kind of hair thing that you need. They've got toppers, they've got full wigs, they've got synthetic and human and short and long and all the colors. They even have them for men. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. This wig makes me talk like a valley girl. Remember, it's just hair, so have some fun. Love you, mean it.